Welcome this video how to fit a hot tub with the a gardening house. A complete guess whether you are seasoning hot tub or just fed up you are bring new scene. For the first time knowledge how to purpose fit a hot tub with the gardening host is interest. Its needs straightforward term on the hot and fit up right well yes and no. Will the drinking simple down it's the right away other professional soft and long for your hot tub. We explored cover everything you need to know about fit the hot tub with a gardening host for purpose and water secured. Consider the two step-by-step interior and main entrance type we get to cover. When you use a gardening hose to fit the hot tub, most homeowners use a gardening hose with the tub their hot tub for a few seasoning access. Every house has been gardening simplicity. It's an straightforward. How much cost effect? No need to hire professional or send requested element patrolling. You can mouse the full rate and temperature. It's use hot weather stay. But like an household task, purple and electricity, they're right away too. And wrong away get work draws the right away. Before you start purple and key before term on that house, do some professional house and allocate income later than what's to keep card of host. Check the hot tub management. Every hot tub is stating different your markup management in with the recountable water level idea. Fit management anything special to your modern like water you should fit throwing and fit house clean to hot up if your fit it's after the during and clean marks sub the interior and specialing away choose for decision and close this fit if need. Impact the house. Look for no decision inside house or cover house. Clean water if possibility. The house for a few seconds before instant it's into the tub. Choose the right water secured idea. Connect your house to the water with different clean water. Connect the soft water, soft unless recontracts by use management. Soft water can affect water anterior complete. Step by step how to fit a hot tub with the gardening host. Locate the fit compartment manage. Remember interior host into the fit compartment. Then fit this help airlock in the flow keep water thoroughly to pick tip. If your modern allow remoting that fit before keep replace if one the hot tub is full inside the hot Place the hot tub security into the fit valve to basic. It serves so it's warm and sizzling water everywhere. Turn on the water source. Start the water slowly. Quick up during gardening inside the flow when your comfort is fit. Modify the fit water. Most tubs should be fit, unique, and water is about 1 2 inch about the height. Just turn level little water and you are just much such as here true much and your restrict overflow when people get in. This can take 14 minutes to 2 plus hours depend on your tub size and water process that arrange 300 to 500 link task area 1.5 or 2 feet with a starting gardening house. Pre-tip: set the time even 20 to 30 minutes mean if our full hot tub start with good inclined and a decision home owning. Use a prefit. Use a step prefit on your gardening hot can significantly improving water quality those seen onto the end of the host and help removed. This is useful if your locate water is hard or have going cover water going mean less gardening for use chaptering and seasoning after fit set up. Once your hot tub is full, do not just jump in. Those are few steps they follow. Remove the hose. Careful task and the hot out without special water on the controlling panel and electric compass. Choose for task water area the tub and expire the during need connect or the pull. Turn on the power. Now you can tap and bring our power switch back on. This hot tub will bring hot and controlling. Pre the pull. Some hot tub requested mean pull, bring, and about airlock contrasite of the extend step. You may need the lost and unique fit signification and long-term area chapped task and balance the water. One choosy task. Use tap a sticky kids balance for need. HP. Add step up chaptering recording and give them a few hours. Can I use hot water to fit mean hot tub fasting? If you are hot connecting to a hot water tap, you can spare turn up just a bank with temperature due to 104 Fahrenheit then like and need use water. But it's a overfed and hot. This no need ample use substitute hot smart vacuum to remove water unit its back to the soft level. Finally touch. Fit the hot tub with a gardening is one of those soft shoes that often kills when do right. It set the tone. Clean water affect professional and pairing free. Remarkable to task your time mode process for follow up with the right water chemistry. Whether you are new hot tub owning is the seasoning love, this simple but impression step help